Right, we've been asked about geraniums. There's so many different forms of geranium now. We've got, I've got variegated geraniums. These are just short, small cuttings. Some here we've just taken. These are ivy leaf geraniums, which is a trailing geranium, which we move along. You can see there's variegated here, ivy leaf here. These are a very small single flowered one. It's a beautiful one. It gets lots of flower on it. This is actually a foliage one, which does flower as well. That's a variegated starting a flower. But then you've got your large garden types, mainly grown from seed. But someone's asking how to take a cutting, so I'm going to show you exactly. It's not a special plant, it's just an okay plant. It's got a couple of dead leaves on the bottom which just wants tidying up. This was a cutting we took mid-summer and it rooted nicely, so we potted it up. It was really just for stock. Just tidy it up like that. Non-flowering shoots, just a bit standard multi-purpose compost. Little pair of snips. We look down in the center here. What you want is, you definitely want a pair of leaves. Now it's actually not quite ready for taking cuttings from. Let's see if I can find another one. There's a one, a bit better. Right, I'm going to go down to the bottom here. Can you see that? It's a non-flowering shoot. Basically that's a cutting. Just remove those two leaves. A little bit hormone rooting powder. A little bit hormone rooting powder. Just dip that in the bottom like that. Put it on the side of the pot. I don't know why, but you always get better roots on the side. Usually if I'm in a square pot, I would put 4 cuttings, 1 in each corner. You could come back up to here. What I would like to do is, that's a cutting there, but it's making this short, very short. So really I would go down to that next node, which is where that is, but we've got another one branching away there. So I'll leave this another maybe 2 or 3 weeks. It will grow on a little bit further and I will take it from that node, but there will be another longer branch on here. So that will make excellent cutting, and that will too. Once you've done that, don't discard the parent plant, because it will throw side shoots out and it'll make it a much better, bushier plant for later on. What I'm actually looking for is 2 leaf joints. So it's where the leaf joins the main stem. You get what's called a node, and I'm really looking for 2 of those. And what I do is I'll cut just beneath a node, and then I would remove the bottom leaves, so that which would go into the compost, and this would be above. So your cutting is actually from there up over. Down, what's down beneath is what's going to make your root. So that's still a little bit small to take a cutting from, because by the time I put that into the soil, you'll be halfway up your leaf. So really you want 2 pair of strong leaves, cut underneath the node on the lower leaf of the second pair of leaves, remove those bottom 2 leaves, and that's your cutting.